Welcome to the Power of Prayer channel. Here is a space of faith, hope and union, where together we seek the strength that comes from prayer to transform our lives. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. May peace and light be with you. Welcome to this moment of faith and spiritual protection. Today, we will pray a powerful prayer to Saint Benedict, the great defender against evil. Open your heart and join us in this sacred invocation. Powerful prayer to Saint Benedict. O glorious Saint Benedict, faithful servant and guide of God, you are a shining light for all who seek protection and strength. With your holy cross, you conquered evil and inspired countless souls to walk in faith and courage. I humbly ask you to intercede for me today. Defend me from every evil spirit, every snare, and every temptation that threatens my soul and my peace. Shield me with your powerful blessing and drive away all forces of darkness. Fill my heart with unwavering faith, my mind with divine wisdom, and my spirit with courage to overcome every challenge. May your protection guard my home, my loved ones, and every step I take. O Saint Benedict, faithful protector, help me to live in purity, humility, and obedience to God's will, so that I may glorify Him in all that I do. Amen. Thank you for praying with us. May Saint Benedict protect you and your loved ones always. If this prayer touched your heart, share it and help spread blessings to more people. God bless you. Thank you for being with us on the Power of Prayer channel. May peace, love and the strength of prayer accompany you and your family. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so we can continue spreading messages of faith and hope. Until the next meeting, and may God bless you all.